Hello over there at Creative Image Landscaping Company. This is Eddie Medina, and I work with Boundless SEO, and we're a digital marketing agency. Thank you for giving us the green light to send this video to you guys. I was doing some research in your area and I came across your company's website and decided to contact you. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on how you can improve your website and beat out your competition online. Now, I'm sure you're super busy. I'll keep this super short. If by the end of this video you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as educational and try it yourself. Just be very careful if you do. Also, if you're working with a SEO company already or a web design company, it's good to know what you have going in the background of your website, right? So I will show you just that on this video and also compare it to one of your competitors around your area. All right, let's get into it. The 3 things I like to go over is your content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here. This is a good website overall. The colors are soft in the eyes, obviously the red, gray, darker red in the bottom. The navigation is fairly simple, easy to use. I noticed this is not clickable in the mobile device or on the laptop here. This is recommended. It's good for your end users once they visit your website. The first thing I want to go over is the content. Typically, you want to see around 1,500 words of text content. This will, of course, improve relevance to the services you offer and a level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. In that 1,500 words of content, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without any stuffing. Stuffing, in other words, is spamming. For example, having keywords all over the page. Making it obvious your intentions are to throw these keywords, but scattered without protocol, that's just going to hurt your website. You really want to avoid that. Also, what I mean by keywords are actual buyer intent keywords. High volume search words, for example, landscaping, Irvine, California, or depending on the service which you go to. But apparently in your area, you do have a high volume of search keywords, which is the reason why we are contacting you in the first place. Let's jump into Ahrefs here real quick. This is a paid tool, of course. If you go to ahrefs.com, don't mind paying for it. This is a good tool to monitor what you have going behind the scenes of your background. Organic keywords, again with the keywords, your website currently has 53. In a monthly basis, organic traffic looks like you have 20 people jumping into your website. Referring domains 9, backlinks 23, the UR and DR levels here. Let's start with backlinks here. When you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another, right? A backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Be aware though that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, this can actually hurt your website. Backlinks are your UR level here, which you're currently at a 6 with 23 backlinks. The DR level here would fall under the citation group. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. More of an example would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. That is what a directory is. Pretty much any platform or website out there that allows business owners to list business information and services to create a new avenue for people to reach them for their services, that's simply a citation. And that falls under the DR meter here, which you're at a 0.1. So there's really not much going on behind the scenes on the background. You do have 20, but depending on the keywords, you want to get more specific on the keywords. For example, high search volumes for around your area for the services that you offer. It's pretty much what you want to go with. It kind of makes no sense if someone across the country searches for the services. However, you pop up and you're on the opposite side of the country. So hope that makes sense. Finally, if a website is lacking keywords, backlinks, and citations, that site is really not gaining any boost, which is just a shame, which of course leads to missing out on opportunities like calls and leads and all that fun stuff. This is one of your competitors here, ANZ Landscaping. This is their website, fairly good website. I do have content on here. Actually, not that much. But they are beating you guys. They're on the first page of Google. They have referring domains 34, backlinks 125. Their UR level is 17, and the DR 1.1. Again, with the keywords, organic keywords, this is very important, 79. And they're getting 59, around 59 people jumping to their website. Also, let's jump back to your website here. You want to keep the UR level and the DR level at a 1-to-1 ratio. This is a good protocol for Google to, bump you up on the rankings. Hopefully this has been informative and educational for you. I really hope you got a lot out of this. If you need more information or have any questions, give me a call so we can further chat. Thank you. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.